He came to visit me. You're so cute. What's up? I'm not sure what's happening. I think this. I don't have food for you, baby. Do you need a hug? Do you want a hug? Want a hug? Oh, honey. You're so sweet. Gosh. You like those braids? I know. Oh, I'm so sorry. That's not food. Oh my gosh, are you actually eating my hair? Let's see. No, you're not eating it. It's good. It's good. What are you doing? Oh, looks like everybody's here, huh? They're all checking it out. Yeah, it's not food. Are you in line? Are you in line? It's not food, it's my hair. Oh my gosh. Okay, that's enough. I'm sorry, that's enough. Silly goose. You are a true silly goose. That's my hair, baby. No, don't eat my hair. No, no more. I'm sorry, I don't have food for you. No, don't eat my hair. That's enough. No more. No more. No more. Okay? Are you in line for food? It's my hair. Yeah. Oh, look at your beautiful blue eyes. Huh? I'm sorry. You're so pretty, though. You eat my hair. Okay, this is my friend who's hungry but wants to eat my braids. And my braids aren't food, baby. Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You're so pretty, though. You're beautiful. Yeah. You're so pretty. I don't have food for you, honey. And no, that's not food, baby. That's my braids. Those are oh my gosh, this is so funny. Oh. Can you go? There's got to be somebody else here who can feed you around somewhere, right? Yeah. I mean, isn't there a feeding station at the park somewhere? Yeah? You're so cute. You're sweet. Look at your sweet feet. You got sweet little feet. Yeah, baby. Yeah, I don't have food. My braids are not going to satisfy you, I don't think, hon. Oh my gosh, you're gorgeous. Yeah, you're gorgeous. You're a sweetheart. Yeah. I mean, are you telling your friends about my braids? Can I pet you? No, you don't want to be pet. Take a little nap. This is such a lovely visit with my new friend. Look at those eyelashes. Oh yeah. Okay, we'll let you sleep. Oh, you little beauty. Such a beauty. Just taking a little nap. You can't come home with me, hon. You have to stay here at the park, baby. I'm sorry, honey bun. Love you, baby.